In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and search My Maps at Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the world of map creation. First things first, you'll want to start by accessing your Google Drive. Open your web browser and navigate to your Google Drive homepage. It's where all your files are stored, so it's a good starting point for any project. Once you're on the home page, look for the New button located in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you won't see My Maps right away. You'll need to dig a little deeper. Hover over the More option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. When you do this, a few additional options will pop up. Look for Google My Maps and click on it. This will open the map creation interface where the magic begins. Once you're on the My Maps page, you'll want to set up your custom map. Start fresh by selecting the Create a New Map option. This is where you can let your creativity flow. After clicking that, a confirmation prompt will appear. Just hit the Create button to enter the map editing screen. Here's where it gets exciting. Now you can add locations to your map. At the top of the map interface, you'll find a handy search bar. Use this to type in the specific location you want to add. Maybe it's a favorite restaurant, a landmark, or just a spot you're interested in exploring. Once you've typed in the name or address, search results will appear. It's time to choose the correct spot from these results. When you find it, simply click on it to center the map exactly where you want it. Now, this is one of the best parts. To pin that location to your map, click on the Add to Map button. This places a marker or outline right at the point you've selected. But we're not done yet. If you want to finalize the placement, just click back on the map area. This part is crucial because it ensures that the marker is set precisely where you envision it. You can take your time with this. After all, it's your custom map, and it should reflect your ideas accurately. Now here's a great tip to remember. Once you've completed your map, it's automatically saved to your Google Drive. Yep, that's right. You don't have to worry about losing your hard work. It's conveniently stored alongside all your other files, making it easy to find and organize later. And there you have it. You've created your own custom map using Google My Maps in Drive. Remember, this is a fantastic way to document places, plan trips, or even collaborate with others on shared locations. With just a few simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming a map-making pro. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you enjoyed learning how to create and search My Maps, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides in the future. Have fun mapping and happy exploring!